So, what is up? Kel here, and we're now here at Dunkin' Donuts Breakfast Challenge, my favorite spot in Davao City. So today, we're gonna do what's in my bag, no one has challenge. So let's get it. So bakit ko ba ginagawa to? First and foremost, a lot of my friends are asking sa kalalaki kong tao, bakit laki ng bag ko? Yes, as a Davao local content creator, you have to have a lot of things prepared so that you can shoot good quality content. So let's see what's inside my bag. Most of these are connected to content creation, especially in order for me to get a good quality content. But of course, I also have to be prepared, like especially when going to the event or going to the business or going to the restaurant. First we have here is my non-negotiable umbrella. So I always have my umbrella with me when going to places, especially if the event is open area, walang tent. I should always have this. If mawala man ito, on that same day, I should buy a new one para if ever umuwi man ako, may dala-dala ko pa yung knowing ng weather sa Davao is very unpredictable. Summer sa umaga, sa gabi, parang bumabagyo na. So yes, that's first thing. Next, we have here my wallet. Of course, we have to have cash and card always. This is my favorite wallet. This is Calvin Wayne. And nakagustuhan ko nito. It's very small. It can fit into my bag. And it also has RFID protection. So, hindi siya madaling basta, may protection siya so that it won't be scanned by a machine right away. And to use this, all you have to do is to pull this trigger.
Keratin?
And then, get your card easily. Tap and pay. And also, it also has compartments wherein you can put cash here. And my calling cards are here. Yun lang, wala siyang slot for coins. That's why I have another separate coin purse. That's the second item. Okay, a very thin power bank. This is MagSafe power bank so that I can easily put it at the back of my phone and have it charged. Knowing na mga iPhone guys is madali na siya malobat. So yes, this is 5,000 milliamperes. I got this for 3,000 pesos at the Power Mac Center using the voucher that they paid when I shoot their content. Yes, this is 5,000 milliamperes na MagSafe power bank. But aside from that, I also have one na mas dakto which is 10,000 milliamperes na power bank. This one is dihatag po nila as a payment or sa XDL payment for when I shoot for them, Power Mac Center. Of course, you need an extra battery as well for your other devices like what I'm gonna show you later on. So another battery pack. So next, let's have some devices connected to content creation. First, we have here my Photolex Biscuit Light. So this is not the Tofu Light. Ang Tofu Light, yun yung mas expensive and mas maraming feature. This one is the cheaper one. It's less than 1,000 pesos. What I like about this is, yes, it's cheaper than the Tofu Light, but it still does the job. It has multi-mode, like you can adjust the warmth, you can adjust the intensity, the color. I actually have two lights here. This is my first one. This is the TNW light. So I have two. Why? Because this one is only 300 pesos, yes, but it has smaller battery life. Mas mabilis siya malobat, but it still does the same job. So what I do, since I have two lights, I usually use the second one as my ambient light, especially when shooting indoors sa bahay. I use this as my ambient light sa likod. Yeah, yun lang yung issue ko dito is, madali siya malobat. But as a startup, you can have this for only 300 pesos, then upgrade ka lang later on. Next on our bag is, you should always have your wireless earphones. Why? Wireless is much more convenient. There will be no tangled na mga cords. And of course, especially when there are rush edits, you can easily listen to your edit. While, syempre, let's say you're waiting on an event to start and you still have spare, and you should have your own earphones so that you can listen well to your edits. Okay, next on our bag is my wireless microphones. This is the one I'm using right now. This is also TNW. I got this as a free sample as well when I was still doing affiliate. So this is dual mic, so you can use this one for yourself and the other one for the one that you are interviewing. And kita sa third item, gadget, the receiver, where it is connected to my Android device, because what I usually do is I usually connect it to a separate device para I have what you call this backup audio, so I have audio straight directly to this phone when recording, and the other one is connected to my Android device. So yes, this is cheap lang po also. I think around less than 1,000 lang din. And still has a decent quality na din. Okay, next on our bag is, what else? Let me just include this. Alcohol, of course, to keep us sanitized. And deep therapy. I do have a very dry lips, like all the time, most of the time. No, not most of the time, but all the time. This is petroleum jelly with something else. Para makuha lang siya, pinkish yung lips. So yes, para control na rin sa dry lips. What else? Jisoo Life. Siyempre, if you're in events, we're in like morning events, afternoon events, not air condition yung area. So, very helpful Jisoo Life. This is actually around 3,000 pesos. It's quite expensive but it's durable, matagal malobat, malakas yung hangin niya. I believe marami ng Jisoo Life or portable fans right now in the market, but this one I can really recommend kasi yeah, it can last like 2 days without charging. I got this, I won this at an event with Hatasu as a grand prize. So yes, I'm very thankful. Until now, gamit na gamit ko siya. Next, I will show you is my very useful tripod that I'm using right now. Let me show it to you. So this is the tripod that I'm using. This is also TNW, diba? We have a lot of TNW items because yeah, they're very generous with affiliates. Jud kanang they can easily approve samples jud, especially mga for content creation. So we have here, I forgot the brand, but this is a one-axis gimbal. It's called TNW Mini. What I like about this is pwede rin mo siya may mag-tripod because it has this stand and you can also extend, diba? And at the same time, this is what I usually use when doing a food shoot. For example, I'm gonna place it here, then my phone is facing on me. I can move this piece of removable light so that maklaro ko if the area is not well lit. And the good thing is, pwede mo siya ma-adjust ang intensity as well as ang warmth niya. So aside from pwede mo siya ma-move facing you, you can also move it facing sa imong gina-shoot. So like this one, you can face it sa food na yung gina-shoot. And this is a one-axis gimbal, so that means it will stay level horizontally. So that's a good thing. All you have to do is to turn this on by clicking this button, then ano siya. One-axis lang siya, but it does the job. So I think that's pretty much it. So doing content creation is not that easy. It may sound easy, but yes, you can start with what you have right now, whatever phone you have. My ultimate tip lang jud is to have a decent light. Whatever camera or phone you have right now, start with it, but please have a decent light because it can change your quality of shoot drastically jud. Yes, start with what you have, whatever phone. Watch as many tips as you can. Upskill, then just upload. Later on, hindi mo na mamalayan na you're good na pala with it, and brands will contact you na to shoot for them. So I think that's pretty much it. If you want to know more about content creation, stay tuned for the next video. So that's it. See you on the next video.